the new ride in Universal Florida, Islands of Adventure Park. We are about to experience the Rain of Home.
And so, this is actually not really open. It's just a soft opening. We're very lucky. We're very lucky that we get to ride it because it's actually not open to the public yet. Universe right now, you have to go back where the Jurassic Park rides are. It's around there. Good luck.
All right, we'll be back, and I'll have Novi and JP give a review of the ride at the end.